First of all, thank you again for coming in to chat with us today. We really appreciate that. I think I'll start with a pretty simple question. What would be your advice for people looking to invest in the stock market today?
It's a very complicated thing. Unfortunately, I wish it were simple. Well, maybe it can be simple, because there are some very basic principles. The first one is diversification, and I believe in that. There's no way of predicting what the best investment will be. So you want to spread out. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
So what's the simplest way to actually do that? If you, let's say if you were to just buy 2 investments, what would be the most diversified?
Well, buying 2, if you're going to just buy 2 investments, then you want to buy something that's already diversified for you. That's why we have mutual funds or ETFs. So yeah, you could do some kind of fund, and say if it's 2, one for the global stock market and one for the global real estate market.
So you suggest that investors need to be diversified. And you know, if we had 2 investments, a broad global mutual stock fund, and then you suggested real estate. And most people would say a stock fund and then a broad bond fund.
Oh, yeah, well, that would be a third one. Problem with bonds right now is that they yield virtually nothing.
That's a great point. So do you think that there's actually more risk in bonds than in stocks in a way?
I don't think that there's more risk. I think stocks are the riskier. But the problem is that stocks right now are elevated partly because bond prices are elevated. That means bond yields are low.